Let's learn how to understand and describe the constant of proportionality, the number that shows how two things change together in a proportional relationship. When you see a proportional relationship like y equals kx, the letter k isn't just a number, it tells a story. Let's learn how to translate that number into words with meaning. In a proportional relationship, k is the constant of proportionality, the number that connects x and y. For example, if y equals 3x, then k equals 3. To write k in words, follow these three simple steps. Step 1, say for every 1x. Step 2, add there are k y's. Step 3, put it together. For every 1x, there are k y's. That's how you translate k into words. If y equals 3x, that means for every 1x, there are 3 y's. If x is hours and y is dollars, then you earn $3 per hour. If y equals 1/2 x, that means for every 1x, there's half as much y. You could say half y per 1x or 1y for every 2x's. If y equals 12x, that means for every 1x, there are 12 y's. If x is hours and y is dollars, you earn $12 per hour. When you have a table, find k by dividing y by x. For example, for this table, pick any x and the y that pairs with it. Then divide y by x, and you will always get 8. So k equals 8. That means for every 1x, there are 8 y's. Sometimes the problem is in a situation form. Let's assume that y is the total cost and x is the number of tickets. To find the constant proportionality, we divide 65 by 5 and get 13. So k equals 13. That means for every one ticket, it costs $13 or $13 per ticket. The constant of proportionality 13 represents the price of one ticket. You can turn any k into a sentence. If k equals 4, say 4 y's per 1x. If k equals 1/3, say 1/3 of y for every 1x. If k equals 2.5, say 2.5 y's per 1x. Time for practice. In the next minute, take the k for each example and translate it into words.
3, 2, 1.
The constant of proportionality, k, connects x and y. It tells how much y changes for every 1x. Turn k into words to see what it means in real life.